I cannot say enough good things about the quality of this mirror. I actually have 3 other mirrors in my home from this brand, and they are all very well made. It was super well packaged for shipping, and this one actually has a rounded edge with no lip at all. The mirror is completely flush with the side gold detailing. So I have the gold mirror, but it also comes in black and silver. And this particular one, you can mount either landscape or vertical, and I chose to do it landscape in my guest bedroom. And the gold finish itself is not too shiny brand new gold. It's more of a deep brass antique gold finish that I really love. And the swivel feature also is really unique compared to other mirrors. So you can swivel it, which is super nice for a bathroom. You just have to keep in mind that if you have a light fixture that kind of overlaps your current mirror, that you're gonna have to account for the swivel of this mirror. It comes with very detailed instructions on how to install it, as well as this template that is super handy because it makes sure that you don't make any mistakes, because you can get the exact measurements that you need for the distance between the 2 mounting brackets, and then you can poke holes right through this template so you know exactly where to drill and you won't mess up. It includes a little wrench for tightening bolts, and it comes with all the brackets that you'll need. So you basically have these 2 brackets that you install on the wall and these other 2 that you tighten onto the mirror. Then you just slide one bracket into the other to get it up on your wall. This mirror looks just stunning in my guest bedroom, and I know that you're gonna love it for your home too.